I found it on the ground and then it just goes and floats away. No turtles.
Whatever it takes. Really? Are you serious? Wow. 40. You'll have probably close to 5,000.
They have long fingernails. There you go, buddy. There you go.
You jerk! I know, right? I was trying to feed that one. It was all alone. Here we go. I'll get him.
Give over here, Emily.
What? Hang on, hang on.
Oh, this one.
Oh,
Oh,
you missed it. Turtle, turn around, turtle. Oh, he got it. Yay, little turtle.
can't find anymore. Do you have a quota? We're not.
So you ate all of our food.
I want to see if I can touch it. Come here. Touch this one right here. Does it come to you? Come here. Come here. Poor little guy. I want their back to come out of the water.
Hey, don't fear, don't be camera. Keep out your hands. Don't eat.
Hang on, you can see me. Be careful.
You don't have to strap on it, do you?
Did you touch it? Touch it, Emily. Touch it.
No, almost got it. Hang on.
When I get old, I'm going to have an aquarium, and I'm going to go in the
Turtle.
I touched it. It feels cool.
It keeps pushing it. Oh, that was cool.
Okay, that's enough.
They feel cool.
Somebody has that.